welcome back to the channel. I am just about ready to get out of here and head to the cruise at Mark, and I have organised down at the port, and well, that's where we're going to start anyway. And I'm going to get some fuel. I've got some merch in the back, whether anyone wants to buy it or not, but we are ready to roll. Let's do it. Wouldn't be for us.
Do you want to pull up in that little spot? I didn't park there, but...
Where?
Well, I don't know, there's like a little cutout here. I might as well pull up here.
Yeah, alright. Too easy. Have a go at it. Fair crowd already. Fair few people here already.
I've got power 22 for my red job.
Yeah.
Can I get a photo of you sitting on my car?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Go over here.
Make my dream come true.
Very good. How you doing? There you go, let's take it to another level, isn't it? Might have to get that one. How you doing? Oh, damn it. That's cool. Oh,
Yeah.
look at you, all professional and everything.
Same.
How good's that?
Alright, here we are, first rig.
Look at that thing.
Beast. Jake's rice burner.
What's going on?
No burnout.
Beautiful. Sorry, mate. This Andrew's just got new phone. Pick it up. Oh, Mike. Mark's brought his dado. How good's that? It's fair turnout.
Yeah.
We'll have to go for a bit of a little walk. There you go. What's going on here? What's happening?
How you doing? We had some big guys that brought his car out.
Good, mate. How you doing? What's happening? Show me. Yeah.
Yes.
This is very cool. Chop. Damn. Man, this is your beast, mate.
This is it. Granddad's car, mate.
It was your granddad?
No, this is Granddad's. I'm a granddad. Yeah, well,
Gonna have to.
this one doesn't suck though, it winds.
Yeah.
There's that sheet, Jeff.
Wow, wait.
That's the sheet I was talking about. And that one. And that one.
That one is. Jeez, how cool's that?
A little bit different.
A little bit different, isn't it? Jesus.
Jeff's gonna shoot himself. He's
out of here.
He's out of here. I've
Fair
told you
enough.
before.
So how much power did you make? Do you know what you made?
No, I haven't had it wound up on the dyno. No, I did with £6 of boost only to do the air fuel mixtures.
Yeah,
I
nice.
got 12 pounds now, but yeah, haven't.
Does enough, mate.
Air fuel mixture's alright. It's not leaning out. It's not too rich. I don't give a shit, mate.
Yeah,
Just happy to
perfect.
just drive it.
It's very cool, mate. Oh, I'm going to keep walking, I'll come back. How you doing?
Yeah, good.
What's going on?
I don't reckon you fit in that one.
I think I fit in this better than the Aventadors.
Yeah.
Like I had to get in the Aventador, and I sat in the Spider at Zagami, and
Yeah.
like my head was above the windshield.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
But the Hurricane, I reckon I do fit in.
Yeah, yeah.
Very cool, mate. Very cool. a couple of cars. Now it's supposed to be a cruise, so we got to get going at some stage. That's Tony. How you doing? This is very cool. Couple of silver coupes. Thanks, mate.
Hope you have a killer one.
Cheers, mate. Hey, mate.
Hey, buddy, how you going?
Good, you?
Yeah, good.
Very good. Hey, guys. How cool is that? Jesus. Boxes here. Got the LS Cruiser. You've all seen that, Frank the Tank. Well, this is amazing. Never expected this sort of turnout, but this is awesome. How you doing, mate? Cars are still rolling in, so not sure what we do here. I was just talking to Mark and he doesn't know what we do now, so I'll go find him, see what we're doing. These blokes. How we doing, mate? What's going on?
Oh yeah, there's a turnout.
How are you?
Good man,
Good?
yourself?
Very good. This is a lot more than I expected. So, but anyway, we're here. Big hit, this bloke. How you doing, mate? Hey?
Nearly as popular as you, mate. Do you want to hit the road soon?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, alright.
What's going on, mate?
Oh, we're gonna go
Yeah.
do a little cruise.
We'll just roll.
Oh, hey, bro. So we are at the Myland Home Centre. A few cars rolling in now, as you can see. Andrew rolling in the big boat. That's her new car she only got this week, which is pretty cool. And yeah, we beat everyone here. Well, and a few people starting to roll in. It's cool.
You fit? Oh, it's going to be better than the cars at the Bend.
Oh, it's way better than the oh, I got heaps of room.
Yeah.
Look at that. knees are up around my head, but see that clutch is hard. Is that the accelerator there?
Yeah.
It's tiny, isn't it?
We've got plenty of room in here.
We thought we'd have to take the seat out, see.
Well, I do have to now get the outside. Oh. All right. Bloody hell. That's very cool.
We get a photo.
Alright, I think we're going to wrap that up. There's another car meet that's sort of just starting to pour in now. But that was unbelievable how many cars that showed up to our first there,
insane.
And then a few followed through here. But massive thanks to everyone who came and showed some support and bought a bit of merch, which was awesome.
Yeah.
But, hopefully we can get some more going later on.
Yeah, we'll definitely do something coming up in the future, so stick around. If you came out, said g'day, yeah, thanks again, and sorry if I missed anyone. It was insane.
It was
so
a bit overwhelming with how many people showed up, and
for sure,
it's awesome.
All right, well, that'll be it for this episode. As usual, like, subscribe, both channels. Check out our merch stores. All the support goes a long way.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys.